Yo, what is up, mi familia? Just another beautiful and gorgeous day here in Central Florida. Wintertime is over. It is now. We are back into summertime. Basically, like, it's over. That's all. That's what I love about Florida. Like, you get a little bit of some cold weather here and there for like 2 weeks, and that is basically it. So now we're back into the beautiful sunny skies. Look at this, guys. Look how gorgeous it is. I'm excited. I'm gonna ride Luna again. Last night was freaking phenomenal, and I forgot to put in my earbuds. So welcome back to the channel, you guys. Last night was amazing. It was phenomenal. I had a great time with the Florida Motorcycle Rider Cruise. Lots of bonding time. It was amazing. We had a little bit of dinner, a little bit of drinks. Yeah, mi familia. Hopefully you guys are all doing great. I'm loving the comments that you guys are providing me, showing me all the love. I'm getting closer and closer to 1K subscribers. Let's keep pushing it, baby. Let's keep pushing it. I'm super excited, even though I do this just for the love of it, because I love communicating with you guys. I love seeing the comments below. I respond to every single one of you guys on everything. Ooh, I gotta gas up. Look how beautiful she looks. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. So my problem is I'm trying to find headers for this bike. Supposedly, I called up the company early this morning, but however, they did not have the part in yet. They said they'll get back to me. So we're trying to figure that part out. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a spoiler. I did buy full titanium headers for this bike with an exhaust. So yes, I have an additional exhaust. I didn't want to do that, but it looked like that was my only route. As I'm looking, prices have gone a little bit higher. I spoke to a friend of mine last night. He's a trucker, and he said that around this time of year, everything tends to slow down for deliveries and things like that. It's just the nature, I guess, of the business. I don't understand it because I'm not in the trucking business and delivery. Hop on, let's go gas her up. Luna is thirsty. I am late. Supposed to be at work at 11, and it is 10:50. Let's go. Oh, yes. Woo! Super excited. Last night I got a lot of compliments on my AGV helmet, which is crazy because I've had this helmet for forever. But I wanna put this helmet away, and I want to get something more blacked out. I'm definitely sticking with AGV. Oh man, this thing is so quiet. I hate it. It is extra windy today, guys. So I apologize if the wind is just overtaking my voice. Once I hit the turnpike, I'm not going to do much talking because I know you guys won't hear me because this helmet tends to be louder. But I'll see how this thing works in post-production. But I do enjoy and I love this helmet. I think this helmet is like the best fit for me. It is super comfortable. I had it on yesterday when I was riding around with the guys to from work, as well as bike night over in Ace Cafe, and I had no issues. Like, super comfortable the whole way. Looks like somebody put their dirty paws on my bike because I got fingerprints everywhere. Someone was looking at it. Yeah, you tend to park your bikes, people are trying to mess with it a little bit. Yeah, let's go gas up real quick and then we'll head out to work. I was legit just kind of contemplating either car or bike, but then I thought to myself, okay, when is the next time we might have really, really good weather? Because now we're probably going to start hopping into the more rain season come like April. So we need to enjoy as much riding as we can, especially on a new bike. Luna wants to go. Sheesh. Somebody gassed up, put $70 in their vehicle. That's a lot of money. Let's go, baby. Woo! All right. So yeah, guys, that side was pretty epic. And right now we're just gonna hit up the turnpike. I'm definitely late. That gas pump took forever to recognize my card for whatever freaking reason. Like today was meant for me to be late. Let's go, baby. Bro, I can't wait to get this exhaust. I can't wait to get a new helmet. Probably this weekend I'm gonna do like a quick comparison video between the AGV, and I think I talked about it prior to this. Talk about the AGV helmet compared to the Shoei helmet. I can't wait to get these headers. Crossing my fingers and hoping that they give me some good news and I get to see that order get pushed through and I see a tracking number. Once I see a tracking number, that's when it's all going to change. I'll be super excited, super ready for this thing, because this thing is too quiet. And they proved it last night where I can hear every single bike except for mine. I was like, this is ridiculous. I can't wait. And the weight savings on this thing, I can't wait to see that. Plus, the tuning that I have ready and equipped for this thing, I'm ready. I'm like beyond ready. Like, this should have been done like probably a month ago or more. All right, we're about to hit up this turnpike, and I know it's going to get loud and windy, so you guys probably won't hear me. But I am hoping, I know this audio is going to come out fantastic when I go listen to it. Hopefully I don't jinx myself, because that'll suck. That'll really, really suck. But I am ready. I am ready. Ready. Like, I am just so ready. Beyond ready. Yeah, last night's ride was fantastic. I was like, you know what? I'm not going to skip another day. I'm going to go ahead and do this ride. Essentially, I want to go ahead and meet up with Mr. 2 Moto. Him and his girl have been doing a lot of content as well. I have like a little bit of a plan. I want to team up with smaller YouTubers. I think that's a great idea. I want to go ahead and team up with other YouTubers and just kind of interact and do maybe a live video. So I have a few things in the works that I've been planning out that I want to do, and hopefully this it works out. Alright guys, well, I'm going to stop talking here because it's going to get fast and loud all at once. I'm already sweating. You know it's hot. Let's go, baby. Woo! Woo! For checking out my channel. I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for checking out my channel and being part of the Picasso Moto family. Love you guys. Take care of each other. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace. Woo! Anybody behind me? Take you around this truck. Beautiful. Alright. I wanted to keep rolling just in case if anything happens, but we are free and clear and beautiful. So yes, it is Friday here today, guys, and doing some moto vlogs since last night was such a great and amazing evening. Went to Ace Cafe. It was freaking lit the entire night. I was like socializing. I totally forgot to record and record the event. It was extremely packed. Like, there were so many people, and it makes sense because we had so many cold and chilly nights. We've had temperatures reaching in the 20s, which is very weird and unheard of for Florida. Dipping down into the 20s, having freeze warnings in the mornings. And I saw a bunch of photos of and videos of people coming out of their houses and just seeing everything just white, frosted. This week it started off beautiful. Like, we saw that temperatures was going to go up into the 80s, and on a Thursday night also with bike night going on. With bike night, it was just incredible. Like, the turnout came out great because they were thinking, it's a beautiful night, it is bike night, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous, and everybody came out. That place, it was so packed that I circled Ace Cafe twice, and it was I couldn't find a parking space. That's how packed it was. And for a motorcycle to find a parking spot, it shouldn't be that hard, and it was that difficult because it was that packed. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage on that because of the fact that I was socializing. I was having such a great time with people I haven't seen in a while. So with that being said, I'm going to sign off here, guys. You guys have an amazing and wonderful day. Thank you guys who are subscribers to my channel. I appreciate you a bunch. People who are newcomers, welcome to the channel. Stick around. There's going to be more stuff coming up with Luna. Luna is my baby. This is my S1000RR. Thank you so much. Welcome 2022. It's been an amazing year so far. So you guys stay safe, stay happy. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.